Hello, it's Dr. Emrich, and I want to talk about understanding Facebook because I know when I first started learning how to market on Facebook, it was very confusing to understand all the different parts of Facebook and how they all fit together. So I started putting this chart together, and I wanted to share it, and hopefully it will be helpful when you're trying to learn Facebook as well. So let's take a look at this chart. And the first thing to understand about Facebook is that you have to have a Facebook profile, a Facebook personal profile in order to do anything else on Facebook. So if you don't have a personal profile yet, it's definitely the first thing that you're going to want to do. And once you have this profile set up, then there's a whole bunch of other things that you can do. You can create what's called a Facebook business page, and this is where you can go and have your business be present on Facebook. And a Facebook business page really does look a lot like your personal profile, except for that it is for your business. So you want to make sure it's branded for your business, that you have your logo on your business page. But you can do and create so much good brand awareness with a Facebook business page. So if you have a business, I definitely suggest creating a Facebook business page. And then also you can create what's called a Facebook group. Now, you don't have to have a business to create a Facebook group. A lot of groups are just for hobbies and interests, common interests that people have. So I know I'm really interested in dogs and I'm really interested in crafting, and the Facebook groups have really given me a lot of knowledge and information about training dogs and about different crafts. So, but businesses can create Facebook groups as well for things that they think their audience might be interested in. Facebook Messenger is also something I think it's going to become even more and more popular because people are starting to advertise through Messenger and do customer service through Messenger, and it's becoming a great tool for marketers. So stay tuned on that. Facebook Messenger is probably going to become even more of a big thing. So once you have these things set up, your profile or your business page, you can do different things in your page or profile and to post different things into your newsfeed. The first thing is something called Facebook Live, which is a newer thing. It's similar to Instagram Live, and Facebook owns Instagram, so they do a lot of the very similar things. And so what Facebook Live is from your mobile device, you can record yourself live in real time and put out there on Facebook, and people can comment back to you in real time. So that's Facebook Live. You can also do Facebook Stories, which is also more video-based. These are just short little videos that you can add to your story, and they do disappear within 24 hours. And then really the most common things that people do are they post just texts about certain things, or images or videos or links, and put those in their newsfeed. So the next thing really is then how do you advertise? You're doing all this stuff. How do you start advertising on Facebook? And the first way, and probably everybody has seen this, is that Facebook will ask you, hey, do you want to boost this post? And that means that Facebook wants to take that post and put it out there to additional people outside of the people that follow your page. So that can be really handy for brand awareness, getting your message out there. And you can do that really affordably. I would just say if you're doing a lot of boosting and spending like $10, $20, $50 here and there, you're going to want to take it a step further. And the next thing is to get into Facebook Ads Manager and really start developing advertisements and campaigns for your Facebook marketing. And Facebook Ads Manager can be overwhelming at first. So I did create actually another chart that looks just like this one for Facebook Ads Manager. And so that will be in another video called Understanding Facebook's Ads Manager. But it is a great tool, and the measurements that they give you on what's working and what's not working, if you are going to do a lot of Facebook advertising, and I would suggest it, because if Facebook was a country, it would be the largest country. You definitely want to get into Facebook Ads Manager. And Facebook Ads Manager is found in what's called Facebook Business Manager. And Facebook Business Manager is where you can really, it's like the hub for everything that you're doing in Facebook and Instagram, actually. So Facebook Business Manager is a great tool for marketing for both on Instagram and on Facebook. And once you learn it, it is a real essential tool to your marketing. And so I would suggest taking the time to get to learn Facebook Ads Manager. The last thing that you'll see also is something called Facebook Insights. It's important to bring this up. You only see insights on a business page, though. You won't see them on your personal profile. And they'll be at the top it'll say Facebook Insights. And if you click on that, it's going to give you measurements about your Facebook business page, the kind of people who are visiting your page, the people who are engaging with your page, what posts they're engaging with. So that is a very handy tool for measuring the success of your posts and the things that you're doing on your Facebook business page. And it's free. You just click on Insights and you can see that whenever you want. So that is kind of like the high-level view of Facebook and trying to put it all together. And so when you dive into each one of these, you understand how it fits together in the big puzzle. And like I said, if you want to get a high-level view of Facebook Ads Manager, you can watch the Understanding Facebook Ads Manager video. And please visit my website, www.thesocialprof.com, and under templates, under resources and then templates, you'll see these charts, and you're happy to take a look at them or download them if you find them helpful. All right, thank you.